Namaskaram friends. Let's see 26th Divya Desam. Sthalam name is Thiru Indalur. I will refer this Sthalam day before yesterday when I was talking about 25th Divya Desam. The Divya Desam name was Thalaichanga Nanmadiyam. So Thalaichanga Nanmadiyam is the Divya Desam where moon got relieved from his curse. I narrated that Lord Vishnu advised moon to visit 3 temples, correct? One is Sri Rangam, the other one is Thalaichanga Nanmadiyam and Thiru Indalur. So today we are going to visit this temple called Thiru Indalur, where again moon visited this according to Lord Vishnu's advice, and he got relieved from his curse. Since Vishnu relieved moon from his curse, Perumal is also known here as Chandra Shaba Vimochana Nadar, and his concert Tayar name is Chandra Shaba Vimochana Valli. So these are the names given since they held Chandran. Let's see the other details of this temple. Perumal here is called as Parimala Ranganatha Perumal. We know Parimalam. Parimalam refers to fragrance in English. Fragrance. And Suganthavana Kshetram. The Kshetram is Sugantavanam. Sugantam, Parimalam, everything refers to fragrance only. This temple is located in Mayavaram. We also call this place as Narumanamikka Vanam. Narumanam. See, there are so many words in Tamil for the word fragrance. Parimalam, Sugantavanam, Narumanam. All these words are used to praise and narrate Lord Vishnu. Here, other name Thiru Indalur, I said, no, Hinda refers to Chandran also. Since Chandra got relief from his curse, this place termed as Indalur, and the Pushkarni name is Hindu Pushkarni. We can see the Pushkarni in the outside of the temple. After seeing the Pushkarni only, we can enter the temple. It's a good one. Let's see how Perumal gets the name Sugandhavana Nadar. There were a set of Asuras called as Madhu Kaitavargal. They grabbed the Vedas, and the Vedas lost its fragrance. Any good things will have its own gracefulness, it will have its own charmness, correct? So Vedas lost it because it was in the wrong hands. Only the certain items, if it is with certain people only, it will be good. So likewise, this Veda, our Vedas, our treasure Vedas, since it went to the bad hands, it lost its fragrance. So Lord Vishnu presented the Vedas back from these Asuras, and hence he gets the name Sugandhavana Nadar, as he returned back the fragrance of the Vedas. Vedas got his gracefulness back. So that's the reason the name was given to Perumal as Sugandhavana Nadar, Narumanamikka Vanam, Parimala Ranganatha, everything. Here, Perumal graces the devotees in the reclining posture. Let me describe the architecture. In the reclining posture, the idol is of around 12 feet, 3.7 meters. It's very a lengthy idol we can see in the main sanctum. And the Garbha Graham, the main sanctum's entrance itself is as wide as the Perumal's idol's length. So we'll get a very beautiful darshan, because usually the Garbha Graham entrance will be very small, and we all have to enter into it and to get the bigger view in other temples, right? But here the entrance itself is as wide as the temple's idol's length. And along with the reclining posture, we can see Gangai and Kaveri, Suryan and Moon, other idols also. The other significance of this idol is, usually the reclining posture, Lord doesn't carry conch and discus, but here we can see Narayana, Lord Narayana, that is Parimala Ranganatha Perumal, with conch and discus in the reclining posture. So again, very unique darshan we can get here. Okay, here the Vimanam name is called as Veda Amoda Vimanam. Veda Amoda Vimanam means Vedas in the blissful state. Here we have to imagine, see Vedas, whether it is living thing or non-living thing, that is not a question, but we are imagining as if Vedas also in the blissful state. So the Vimanam is called as Veda Amoda Vimanam because it is now right back to the right hands. Okay, Tayar, Perumal's Tayar name is Parimala Ranganayagi Tayar. I said the other name was Chandra Shaba Vimochana Valli, Sugandhavana Nachiyar. All the names that we saw for Perumal matches for his concert also. So these are the details I want to give about the 26th Divya Desam Thiru Indalur. This is located in Mayavaram. The temple is has a 5-tier gopuram and 3 persons. Other than the main idol which I described, we can also see idols of Narasimhar and Chakrathalvar, Ramar and Alvars, everyone. The other interesting details is Thirumangai Alvar. He has 10 pasurams here. When I was explaining Sarangapani temple, I said Thirumangai Alvar considers Vishnu as his friend, and when he was lying down, Thirumangai Alvar was talking through his pasurams. He sings through his pasurams, he praises through pasurams, no? And he meditates upon Vishnu. Thirumangai Alvars, all the Alvars, if you see, they devoted their life for Lord Vishnu only. So he considered Perumal as his friend, and when he came, Perumal was in the reclining posture. He asked Perumal why he was lying down. He will not take care when he is coming like that. And Perumal also want to get up and sit to talk with Thirumangai Alvar. Immediately Thirumangai Alvar said, why you want to get up? And so Lord Narayana responded, what do you want me to do? Whether you want me to sleep or lie down in a reclining posture, or whether you want me to sit. And then Thirumangai Alvar requested him to be in the posture where he was about to get up. That we saw in Sarangapani temple. Similarly here, Thirumangai Alvar came, but unfortunately temple doors were closed. So he started singing in praise of Narayana, but the temple doors were not open. Maybe it was an untime. He got frustrated and he started talking to a friend, as we all do, saying it's waste of time praying you. Instead of worshipping you, I would have spent time for my own business and earn some money. I would have played with my other friends. Like that he started talking with frustrations. Lord Vishnu, we know how he handles. He asked politely, what happened to you? Why are you talking like this? He was inquiring. Thirumangai Alvar said, I came all the way to see you. That you have closed the door. I cannot see you. What you want me to do? So Thirumangai Alvar says, you are one of the Alvars. No other has this kind of status. And you are always thinking about me in praise of me. What else affection you were expecting from me, was Vishnu's reply. And Thirumangai Alvar said, it's not at all enough. I know you have kept me in good status. I know you have made me to think about you all the time. But that's not sufficient. You should always be with me. I should always be talking with you. I should dance thinking about you. I should dance with you. I should sing about you. I should sing with you. That was his request. Lord Vishnu is already pleased with Thirumangai Alvar's affection. Now he is even more pleased with his affection. And then he said that this temple belongs to you. So Thirumangai Alvar idol we can see in this temple. He has sung 10 pasurams on Vishnu. So from this Divya Desams, what we have to learn is, what I have learned at least, the dedicated, sincere devotion to Lord Vishnu is what I'm learning from here. Brings us all the happiness. He handles like a friend, Thirumangai Alvar. So that is one interesting thing I want to talk about this temple. So here the Perumal is in reclining posture, I said. Okay, other than the details of Divya Desam, let me also give the notes for today. Yesterday I was talking about the significance of visiting the temple, right? So I was explaining how it is related to our five senses, etc. Likewise, after having Tirtham and everything, we get the Kumkum or Vibhuti, correct, from the Gurukul, the priest. So we have to keep that in our center of our forehead, in between the eyebrows. There is a nerve point that stimulates, that triggers the complete blood circulations in our face, which brings a glow on our face. So we can also notice people who have come from the temple. We can see something special on their face. It glows. It's because that kumkum that we keep in between the eyebrows, the center point, stimulates the blood vessels. The blood flows nicely all over their face, and it brings a special glow on our face. That's why our elders used to say we have to keep kumkum or chandan for the gents every day. It keeps our face bright and glowing. That's the reason I've kept it today. Okay, so that's the details I want to tell. Thank you all friends. Namaskaram.